morning, YouTube. Those are hoses, you can see them. You can see hoses, there are so many. Decided to try this again. I'm on my way to work. It's a short time. It's 7:45. Let's see, today I'm using a Matatu going all the way to Ngong Road. So let's see how it turns out.
Oke lah, udah. Oh, dikomboi. Masa itu kah? Ini kan itu.
So guys, from here it's a walk. This stretch is around 1 kilometer long. I know it doesn't seem like very long, but if you're walking the way I'm walking, so the stretch is from the junction where I alighted there at Jump Park, and it goes all the way to the showgrounds. This is the stretch. So yeah, let's go. I usually take around 15 minutes to walk from where I lighted all the way to the showgrounds. Let's see how many minutes it takes today. So this way I'm passing right now. You can see some beautiful flowers there. This is just outside the Nairobi chapel. The Nairobi chapel. Some beautiful flowers being sold here. Then right on the other side, that other side is the Talanta Sports Club or Jamhuri Sports Club. Yep, this is the entrance to the Nairobi chapel. That you'll see it clearly, but that is Talanta. That is being constructed there. It's Talanta. And then also some beautiful flowers. There you can see them. So guys, let me tell you a story. It was right here last year. I was on my phone. I was using my phone, and then a motorbike just came, and people snatched the phone. Right here, exactly here. So they passed here, somewhere here. And I was on this walkway. Yep. So today I'm being very, very careful. Very careful. So guys, that's the Nairobi Chapel tent right there. Nairobi Chapel tent. Then the entrance to the Jamhuri sports grounds. Entrance to the Jamhuri sports grounds right there. So yeah, some flowers again, some flowers. Then see there are people here. Some of them are hoping to get to work. Others are here to serve. That's the Jamhuri sports grounds. Yeah, it's a big project. It's a very, very big project. Okay. Yep. It's huge. That's what you see when you're walking past it. Oh. So guys, I am definitely late because it's already 9. It's already 9. But not like me. I think I don't know. But it is during this stretch that I usually get time, you know, when you're walking and you are alone with your thoughts, you're just thinking and planning. So a lot of planning happens along this stretch. Before I get to the office, I do a lot of planning. I analyze some of my accounts and you know, get ready. So, and also I just, you know, disappear in my own thoughts. Sometimes I create lines of it and I perform them to myself. Then I, you know, or other times I'm carrying my headphones, so I put on my headphones and I listen to music as I walk through this 1 kilometer stretch. It is 1 kilometer, yeah, but if you're walking it feels like 10. It feels like 10 kilometers. My God! So guys, right there, that is that is the Cape famous car bazaar. I think it happens on Sundays. It happens on Sundays, and this place is usually filled with a lot of cars and people selling. You know, it is the largest car bazaar I think in Kenya. Happens on Sundays. I think one day we'll come just to experience how it feels. Otherwise, I'm here at this stretch now, and this is usually the final stretch. Yeah, the final stretch. Are you guys ready to see some horses? Some horses? Yeah, there you go. That is a horse. Are you seeing one? Okay, I think I'm short. I'm not really that short, but those are horses. You can see them. You can see horses. There are so many. Usually they come out. I get lucky and I find them on the road here when they are walking. get to see them up close. But today, maybe another day, we'll see them together another day. So I think I'm getting used to speaking to myself, carrying this huge thing, recording it, and yeah, I don't know what I want to achieve with this. But, yeah, the horses are so many. There are many, so many. You can see white ones there. I don't know why they are separated, white and brown. But yeah, there are so many. Niaje? Yeah. Yep. So then, this is a kennel club. So